we're done with the first property of Kangen water, which is very rich in antioxidant. Now, punta na naman tayo sa kanyang second property, which is very high ang kanyang alkaline pH. So, ang ginagamit natin dito is the pH test liquid. Before, we are using what we call litmus test. Yung strip of litmus paper ang ginagamit natin. But this time around, medyo advanced na. We are using the liquid pH tester. Mayroon ding pH test meter. So, this time around, mas maganda kasi visual. People are love visual. So, ang gawin natin is visual. So, the same types of water na discuss ko kanina. Again, a disclaimer, I don't have the intention na sisiraan ng mga brands na to. These are safe water, but the question right now, I want you to think, this is for you, kung healthy ba to. So, there's a very big difference between safe and healthy drinks. So, ang gawin natin, we will put 3 drops each, and then we will identify kung ano yung kanilang pH level. So, pH means potential of hydrogen. Now, ito yung water from the top. We will put 3 drops each first. And then, ito yung magre-represent sa lahat ng purified water. Ito yung magre-represent sa lahat ng distilled water. Ito naman yung mineral water. It will represent lahat ng mga sports drinks or energy drinks. At ito yung magre-represent sa lahat ng soda or soda. And then, the last but not the least, of course, ito yung Kangen water. Now, we are familiar that pH is ranging from 1 to 14. 1 below 7 is acidic and above 7 is alkaline. And when 7 is neutral, right? So, ito yon. Kayo na mag-identify. This one, this is slightly alkaline or neutral. Reason being is, mayroon siyang tinatawag na chemical na lye. LYE. Ito yung ginagamit na chemical ng government to regulate the pH of the water so that yung mga pipes wala silang rusting. Kasi pag acidic ang tubig na to, magra-rust yung pipes ng government. So, problema. How about this? So, in short, ang reason bakit siya ganito ang kanyang pH, neutral or slightly alkaline, simply because of the chemical lye. Ito naman, as you can see, this is acidic, right? So, too much of this sa katawan natin, it will cause ng too much acid waste. And eventually, you will realize na too much acid waste in our body, yun yung root cause ng lahat halos ng mga degenerative diseases. Now, how about this one? This is also acidic. And of course, this is slightly alkaline, parang tap water lang siya. But kanina, as you can see, ang kanyang ORP is sobrang taas, same with the tap water. So, oxidizing. And of course, the reason bakit siya ganito is because of the mineral present in this water. And last, or second to the last, or third to the last is this one. Ito yung nagre-represent sa lahat ng mga energy drinks. Acidic, too much of this sa katawan natin, sickness. Of course, this one, soda, acidic. So, and of course, this is our Kangen water. The beauty of Kangen water is it's not chemically induced. So this is electrically induced. So natural, walang halong chemical. Di ba pag halimbawa ito acidic ang tubig, lagyan mo lang yan ng sodium bicarbonate, alkaline na siya. But saan galing yung pagka-alkaline niya? Because it's chemically induced. That's why maraming sasabi na pag chemical alkaline nakakatakot kasi hindi healthy sa katawan pag too much. Correct, tama sila. But, yun yung mga alkaline water na ang ginagamit is chemicals. How about our Kangen? Kangen fresh from the machine, walang chemical na halo. Ang meron siya is, the reason bakit alkaline siya, because sobrang rich na ng hydrogen. Remember, ang marami sa kanya is molecular hydrogen H2. Ang process kasi ng machine, medyo konting science lang, electrolysis. So, mayroong nangyayaring disassociation of molecular structure and eventually, may na-come up na hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ion is unstable. That's why maghahanap din siya ng kapartner na another hydrogen ions. Ang labas niyan is molecular hydrogen H2. Ito na yon. Potential of hydrogen sobrang taas. Kaya, ang tubig is, the right word for this is alkalized. Kasi hindi siya chemically induced, it's electrically induced. So it's healthy. So this is why this machine is amazing. What is the education behind all of this? Remember, our body is more than 70% water. Can you imagine if we can correct this percentage in our body, we are like 70% done with our health. So, imagine if you're loading every day this type of water, sobrang taas ng ORP, and then the reason why this positive ORP, the reason why this is neutral or slightly alkaline, simply because of the chemical, and then you're loading your body with those chemicals. And remember this yellow color here? So, 2 months of this sa katawan natin, sickness, right? This one, of course, is because of the minerals na nandito. But the ORP of this is not healthy because it's 800, 700 up. And of course, this one. So, in Nagic, we have the slogan we call, change your water, change your life. So, I'll show you. If this is your body, 2 months of this is sickness, yan yung state ng katawan mo ngayon, all you need to do is change your water. Drink Kangen. See? So maybe you will see, because the color of the water is already purple. So I have here a clear glass and Kangen water from the machine. Also, this is clear Kangen. So all you need to do, our slogan is change your water, change your life. Amazing. If this is your body, acidic, too much acid waste, just change your water. But this is sports drinks. This is soda. So kahit gaano pa ang ilagay mo dyan, kadami, kahit color, walang mangyayari. Why? For every glass of this, kailangan mo ng 28 glasses of Kangen to neutralize. Now, in fact, mas daling i-neutralize ang mga chemical lang. Like, see that? Yung mga minerals, pwede natin siya ma-neutralize with Kangen. But this one, 28 classes. Now, can you imagine gaano ito ka-acidic? Healthy na katawan mo, but na-tempt ka ulit, sip lang, tikim. This is diluted. Hindi ito 100% soda na, right? Even a sip, cup of this or a sip, ganon ka-acidic ang soda. Now, the education here is, I am using Kangen water for the last 10 years, and I'm not drinking soda. After seeing this demo, never na ako nainom ng soda. So this is the reason why your family must be using Kangen water machine at home.